Today, we are transforming this damaged freezer into a brand new, modern appliance.
The restoration begins by removing every damaged component.
Years of dirt and damage are carefully removed.
The old cooling system is removed to prepare for a complete upgrade. New cooling technology is installed for powerful performance.
The damaged body is rebuilt and prepared for a new design.
A strong base is created for the modern finish.
The old freezer starts transforming into a modern appliance.
Modern features are added to improve style and performance.
The inside is redesigned with a clean, modern look.
Every electronic system is connected and tested.
The freezer comes back to life with powerful cooling.
Every function is checked for perfect performance.
The final polishing gives it a premium appearance.
The transformation is almost complete.
A completely new freezer with modern technology is ready.
The upgraded design delivers comfort and reliability. The interior now looks fresh, clean, and efficient.
A professional restoration with perfect finishing. From a broken old freezer to a brand new modern masterpiece.
From a broken old freezer to a brand new modern masterpiece.
Every small detail has been upgraded with perfection.
The inside is completely refreshed with a premium design. The restored freezer is ready for its new home.
Smart features bring this freezer into the modern era.
Advanced cooling performance is tested successfully.
The final cleaning creates a flawless finish.
Every moving part works like a brand new machine. A perfectly organized interior completes the transformation. The amazing transformation is captured after completion.
A forgotten appliance has become a modern masterpiece.
Old broken parts have been replaced with advanced components.
The upgraded system delivers reliable cooling.
A complete inspection confirms the perfect restoration.
The old freezer now looks like a premium new model. Modern design meets powerful performance.
This restoration brought new life to an old appliance.
A perfect freezer ready for everyday use.
Innovation and restoration create something amazing.
The transformation journey is finally complete. An old, damaged freezer has been reborn as a brand new, modern appliance.